read a fun poem. Tony's going to read a poem about noses. Tony wishes he had a nose. The nose poem is called Be Glad Your Nose is on Your Face. Tony wishes he had a nose on his face. Maybe this is Tony's nose here? Tony doesn't know. The poem is by Jack Prulutsky. Be glad your nose is on your face, not pasted on some other place. For if it were where it is not, you might dislike your nose a lot. Imagine if your precious nose were sandwiched in between your toes. That clearly would not be a treat, for you'd be forced to smell your feet. Tony can smell his feet, watch! Smells like feathers. Your nose would be a source of dread, where it attached atop your head. It soon would drive you to despair, forever tickled by your hair. You would be sneezing a lot. That's it! That wasn't related. Within your ear, your nose would be an absolute catastrophe. For when you were obliged to sneeze, your brain would rattle from the braze. Your nose, instead, through thick and thin, remains between your eyes and chin. Now paste it on some other place. Be glad your nose is on your face. That was fun! Thank you for tuning in to hear Tony tell you a poem. Tune in next week for Tony to tell you another poem. Hey, has Gravy done the... Who are you? Tony is Tony. What? You're not supposed to be doing Gravy spits. Wait a second. Weren't you that monster puppet we banned like 10 years ago? Hey, get back here! Chester, has Gravy done his thing yet? Why is the camera panned towards me? Wait, is it April Fool's already? Is it April? Oh man, I completely forgot. I gotta change my calendar. April Fool's, everyone. Good luck.